Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Naharka and today we are reacting to BTS new song BE. Today it has released. Actually I literally wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I was like, I have my alarm set, everything to watch everything, like their press conference, their countdown, their MV, like everything. I was have like alarm, so I like wake up and watch like uh, at the moment, because it's really like amazing to see it. And in few minutes ago I see their V Live also, which they comes live, and I really love that. All were looking very cute, do literally funny stuff, funny moments, and talks about the song, every song which they have, and I really love it, all the songs. And now I'm reacting to B, and they perform in the performing on Monday 23rd at first time the BE songs new song Life Goes On. They are performing on the America GMA, Good Morning America, and I'm really excited to see. And saw the MV also, and I really love it. And so guys, please give my subscribe like a smash button. And a question of the day is, what do you think about the songs and the MV, and what do you think that how the director Jungkook has done and everything, the MV and how all were looking, what you think. And so I'm reacting to the MV, so let's start. I really love it. He's looking so handsome. I really love his mole here on the nose.
아직도 멈추질 않아. 저 먹구름보다 빨리 달려가. 그럼 될 줄 알았는데 나 겨우 살아낸 것봐. 몹시 아프네 세상이란 놈이 지갑기. 덕분에 눌러보는 먼지 쌓인 백갑기. 넘어진 채 청하는 엇박자의 춤. 겨울이 오면 내 시작 더 뜨거운 숨. 끝이 보이지 않아. 출구가 있긴 할까. 발이 뜨지 않아.
Eyes. I really love this
사람들은 말을 세상이 다 변했대.
At the back we is like I think it's really sleepy. It's like he do like this right now. His eyes. really love it. And in the V Live, if you see the V Live today, they have told about the MV, like how was it, and like everything, like what's going on, the story, some like type of thing. Like when MV start, Jungkook is standing and they asked like Jungkook is like, what you doing? And he said, I was thinking like when I will go outside, and when I will like go outside and I'm go like see peoples and everything. And when Jimin like doing brush, so Jimin asked like Jungkook like what I am doing. So he was like, you have a morning bad breath, so that's why you are like that's why I told you to like brush it and everything, because you have a bad breath and everything. It was really funny. And after that, the RM scene, RM tells that the scene is really good, and JK tells that he's the one who's actually take this like the like a video of the part of the video. He takes it, and it was so good that he wants to take this part in the MV. So he RM doesn't know, but he really loved that part and everything. And they are playing, and they tells that there was like a big screen in front of them, and like the director, like the who was like filming, he was like goes left, goes right, there now like how they go, like everything. And and everyone sitting in the car, and and after that they ask V that Jimin ask V that why are you doing like this thing, why you're doing it. So he was like, it's my habit. And Jungkook and Jimin was like, no, it's not your habit, we didn't see any time you doing like this, like I didn't see. But he was like, it's my habit, but they didn't know it. And then when Jin eyes closed, Jungkook said, I see, and I thought it was really not good, like he like looking really like awkward or something. So it was not good that when Jin was closing his eyes. And when like after the last one, when they're sitting together, when they have like the online concert, so they after online concert they get dress up, they do again makeup and all, then they record this thing. And they were really amazing. And we said like my hair is looking very amazing and everything. I really love the part which I will tell you like which part was it. I don't think so which part was it. This and the last part when Jin's comes and like do like this and everyone sings the part. I just really love this part and I really love it. It's like the when they start, it's really like soft. When this come, it's like really like a different type of song, different type of thing, actually a song, the like the beat and everything. So I really love it, and everyone singing also really different from their other songs, so I was really love it. So I will show you the this part. Listen that what I said. Now he is looking, and now they will start. I just really love this part. It's really amazing. I really love this part a lot. I really love it. I really feels really like the warm of their like the feelings of, and I really feel warm and I really love it. And I listen all the songs actually when they were doing the V Live live, and I listen all the songs. It was really amazing and everyone's like loving it and talking about the songs, and I really love it. And actually I see right now when the press conference end, and I after that they didn't like show like when they like going back to their rooms, but the videos came and I saw like we actually like tip off, and like something just stuck on his feet and he just fall, and Jin was the one who like saving him, and telling stand up, and Jung is also looking like what happened. And like he is a little bit like every time it happens to be like when he fall on like everything, but it was really sweet and really funny. I really love it, and I really love the MV, and I really love it all, like a lot. I really love all the MVs, like everything. Jungkook did great job, and everyone's did um, great job. Sugar's like I love it. Take care of self and come fast. And he also like calls like on the V11 tells like wait for me, I will be back. I next week my therapy is like is starting, but I can't come because like I didn't doctor said me not to use the left hand, which he has like operation on it. So it's, but he tells that he will come fast and recovery fast and see you the army like again. And I really love it, and we are waiting for it. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I hope that you like my videos, so please smash it and subscribe it, and I really love you. I probably we all love you. So life goes on, and everyone love you a lot. I purple you. 사랑해요. 안녕.
You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone.